In this video, you are going to learn how to create 5 best PowerPoint transition effects just like the one showing on your screen right now. Are you ready to discover how to get it done in PowerPoint? If yes, then let's begin. Number 1, Morph Transitions. Morph Transition allow you to easily move from one slide to another in a smoother and more professional way. Let's see how we can apply Morph Transition in our PowerPoint design. Firstly, let's duplicate this slide. In order to do that, click on this current slide, then press Ctrl D on your keyboard in order to duplicate it. Once you are done, then you are going to come to this first slide, then you are going to zoom out because we wanted to drag all this shape and this text outside of the slide, so that once we apply the morph transition, all these text items and these shapes will be able to slide in from both left and right. To get it, I'm going to select the text and the shape by pressing shift, then I'm going to drag it outside of the slide. I'm going to do likewise for the second one. I'm going to select it by pressing shift, then I'm going to drag it outside of the slide as well. So everything is looking good currently. After I'm done with that, then I'm going to zoom in again in order to put it back to the normal shape of the slide. Then I'm going to select all these items by dragging the mouse on it, then I'm going to pull it down a bit in order to make sure everything has been aligned properly. Once you see this ruler that shows, leave it, it means everything has been well arranged. After that, I'm going to come to this second slide, so I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to come to transitions, then I'm going to click on morph. So it's going to be able to move from both left and right and meet on the same point. Now let's preview it. For the preview mode of the slideshow, come to this icon, then click on it. So once you click on it, then click on it, then as you can see, this is how you can use morph transition to move from one slide to another in a more professional way. There are so many ways you can use morph transition in your PowerPoint design. Let me know in the comment section below if you wanted me to create a full video on how to use morph transition in so many ways. Let's continue. Number 2, Vortex Transitions. This transition is also good as well. With this particular transition, you can use it to create an intro for your videos. Now, I have this text that I've designed already. Then I'm going to apply Vortex Transition to it. You are going to see how the Vortex Transition is going to look like. I assume this is an intro for my video, just for an illustration sake. So I'm going to click on this section, then I'm going to come to transitions, then I'm going to click on this drop down arrow, then I'm going to look for Vortex Transitions. This is the one I wanted to use, Vortex. Click on Vortex and you're going to see how everything is going to transition smoothly. Can you see? So now let's preview it in a slideshow mode. How awesome is that? This is how you can use Vortex to do your video intro or to create your video intro in PowerPoint. Let's move on. Number 3, page core transition effects. Page core transition effects simply make your design comes to life. You can use this particular transition to create a flipbook animation in PowerPoint. Let's see how it works. For the sake of this video, I've decided to design this particular flipbook in PowerPoint. So let's see how we can apply page core transition to it and make the book comes to life by flipping to the left hand side. So I have these 3 slides available for an illustration sake for the sake of this video. So to apply the page core effects, in order to turn it into a flipbook, I'm going to click on this second slide. Then to select the third slide, I'm going to press shift. Then I'm going to select the third slide. Then I'll come to transitions. Then I'll come to this section. Then I'm going to click on page core. So can you see? So now let's preview it in a slide mode. So I'm going to come to this first one. Then I'm going to preview it in a slide mode. To preview it in the slide mode, click on this icon which means slide mode. Click on it. Then you are going to see how it's going to flip right now. Can you see how awesome it is? Can you see? This is how you can create a nice beautiful flipbook animation in PowerPoint. Alright my people, if you really enjoyed this video, please do me a favor by simply subscribing to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Let me know any video title you want me to create related to PowerPoint and I will be there for you. Let's continue. Number 4, Vortex Transitions. With this particular transition, you can simply move from one slide to another in a more smoother and more professional way. Let's see how we can apply cutting transition to this particular PowerPoint slide design. I have these two slides for the sake of an illustration. So I'm going to click on the second slide, then I'm going to come to transition, then I'll click on this drop down arrow, then I'm going to look for curtains transition. This is it. I'm going to click on it. Then this is how the curtains transition is going to look like. Let's preview it in a slide mode. Click on the first slide, then let's see it how it's going to look like in the slide mode. Can you see? This is how curtains transition looks like. Number 5, clock transitions. These particular transitions help you to move smoothly from one slide to another in a clockwise direction. Let's see how you can use clock transitions in your PowerPoint design. In order to use clock transition, so I've decided to create these two beautiful slides for the sake of an illustration so that I can explain better how you can use clock transition in PowerPoint. So I have these two design. Then I'm going to click on this second slide. Then I'm going to come to transitions. Then I'm going to click on clock transitions. Click on it. This is the one we are going to use. Can you see? So now, in order to see how it's going to look like, let's see how it is on the slide show. See how the clock transition is going to look like. Can you see how everything is moving in a clockwise direction? Alright my people, if you really enjoyed this video, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. This goes a long way by helping my channel to grow. Also it helped me to keep producing more engaging content like this. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.